The EU is set to declare war on petrol-powered motorbikes, sparking fears that time could be called on motorcycling as a hobby. The European Commission is planning to impose strict emissions restrictions on vehicles that only zero-emission vehicles would be likely to meet. Motorbikes are not currently included in its plans, but riders fear that they will be restricted next. The Commission has set a target for the Bloc to reduce its net greenhouse gas emissions by at least 55% by 2030, compared to 1990 levels. In a 2019 European Green Deal, the Commission laid out its plans to knock emissions in the transport sector by a whopping 90% by 2050. It stated that more than 70% of greenhouse gas emissions in transport comes from road transport, which includes motorbikes. It is unlikely that the Bloc's extreme targets would be met without some level of restrictions being imposed on motorbikes. Michael Lenzen of the German Motorcyclists Association said banning internal combustion engines would be a disaster. He added that it would lead to the death of motorcycling as a hobby for many. Rolf Frieling, chairman of Germany's biker union, also warned that such a ban would kill motorbike touring. He said, "If I want to go to France and ride a few nice curves but have to take an hour-long charging break after every 150 kilometers, that's no fun at all." Motorbikes account for roughly 2% of the European vehicle market. An investigation by Mythbusters into the eco-friendly nature of motorbikes found that, unsurprisingly, they are more fuel efficient than cars and emit less carbon dioxide. However, it found that bikes emit more smog-forming hydrocarbons and oxides of nitrogen, as well as carbon monoxide. Partly because of its size, it is more difficult to electrify a motorbike than a car.